Good afternoon, Gordon Joumana. Thanks for being with us. How was your experience working with the kitchen guy?
Well, the kitchen guy was great for a bunch of reasons. But I think the most important thing about working with the kitchen guy is they make you feel like you're part of a team. And what they do is they help you accomplish what your goal is, what your vision is. Their job is to try and make sure you get the best of what you looked for. And boy, did they ever do that. They delivered it in spades in terms of both the timetable, the quality of the workmanship that they had here. And they just always made us feel like we were the most important clients they had. And I know they have lots more, but it was great to feel like we were number one while they were doing our kitchen.
Top notch from beginning to end. We can't be happier. I mean, I'm cooking now, so great. Good job.